You know, I've been around airplanes since I was a kid. My dad worked on airplanes. He worked on the Concorde. I went to work with him every weekend, and it's kind of just been part of our family history and part of my history growing up as a kid. My name is Raj Narayanan. I'm the CEO of Aerospace Quality Research and Development, AQRD for short.
We take the work that some of our competitors and even some of the OEMs, they say that it can't be done, and yet they send the parts here to us. And through our engineering department, the experience that we have there and on the repair side as well, being able to take the job that other people say that can't be fixed, and we fix it. Now that sets us apart.
Aircraft are safe because they're standardized around the world. There's a standard way of doing things. So what we do is we work with industry standards, but we're writing the process that we're doing. So every step we do is a test and test and test. And when it works, we go back and document. Someone else needs to be able to do the work that you did safely. And that's what we're trying to do here.
Accomplishing, I guess you could say, to see that, you know, something that I was able to essentially design a procedure for them to do, send it in to them, and then being able to go see it from start to finish and see the finished product and see it actually go out and be used. I mean, I didn't see it in action, you know, but the fact is it's being used, and I think it's very cool that I was part of that process to where now, you know, some plane flying around in the sky right now is using a part that I was able to help fix.
Being on the front edge of, you know, why is a part here? Because nobody else can repair it. Everyone else has thrown their hands up, said it's not worth the time, said it's not worth for whatever reason. They're here because it's the last stop. This is it for that part, for that customer, for that airplane. And being on many programs here that have saved aircraft, saved components, saved millions of dollars, or done very simple mods that have just helped owner-operators to continue operating their airplanes has been awesome.
I believe that right away when you come here, it's all about the passion. There's a lot of people here who all want to do a really good job, and you can tell that there is a certain ambiance that goes with that.
I love being there for the people that we work together with. Not just being someone who's I'm your boss, but to show them in general, like, they want to be somebody in my position and not just, they don't want to come to work.
We operate 2 of the last 3 operational beach starships in the world. You know, it wasn't intentional. It's just something that kind of came to us. We decided to help fix that problem and engineering it and solve it. Those are just all the different kinds of problems that we solve in our business. And the Starship just represents a small part of how we take that kind of an approach to solving everybody else's airplane problem. I always pinch myself when I come into work going, wow, look at what we've created. Look at what we've been able to do with the people that we've been able to be a part of this team. A lot of the folks that I see every day at the office and at the shop have been here for a better part of greater than a decade. And so the future is we'd like to have good, slow growth, expand, solve more problems, have the ability to hangar more airplanes, solve more technical challenges. So I just see that as a continuing growth, a continuing need in the marketplace. I think that's really great for our organization, our company, our people, their families, great for our culture of how we are mission focused in solving those problems. And I think growing that to continue to solve those problems with our customers in partnership is going to only grow our organization.